Looking to get the most out of your BITGET trading experience? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the BITGET referral code 4H6K to unlock exclusive bonuses and start trading with confidence. By using the referral code 4H6K, you're not just signing up, you're setting yourself up for success with some incredible bonuses. Simply click the top link in the description below, and the referral code will be automatically applied when you create your account. It's that easy. And if, for any reason, the code isn't applied automatically, just copy and paste 4H6K during the sign-up process to make sure you get the maximum benefits. Here's how to claim your bonuses. Click the link below this video, which will take you directly to the BITGET sign-up page. When you're creating your account, make sure the referral code 4H6K is applied. This ensures you get access to the best rewards available. Complete your registration, and you're all set to start trading with added advantages. BITGET is more than just an exchange. It's a powerful platform that offers spot trading, futures trading, and even copy trading for those who want to follow top-performing traders. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate. Plus, with top-notch security features like offline storage and multi-signature wallets, your assets are well protected. So why wait? Use the BITGET referral code 4H6K today and unlock your exclusive bonuses. Just click the link below, enter the code, and start trading with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips and special offers. Thank you for watching. Remember, the BITGET referral code 4H6K is your gateway to exclusive bonuses and a smooth trading experience. Click the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.